Okay, just putting a sand finish on this painted plasterboard wall. This is the first coat of Cornice cement and sand I've put on. Just putting another coat on here. It's a little bit experimental this. I've painted plasterboard. Seems to be sticking, so I think it's going to come up pretty good. Going to have to give this a bit of a scrape back when it dries a bit. I'll keep going at that. Okay, just putting the second coat on here. It's starting to take up pretty well. The sand Cornice cement stuck well to the painted wall underneath, reasonably well. So just going over, spreading it out, and I'll give it a scrape back when it's nearly dry. Okay, so I just get this little corner up here to put on. Okay, I'll let that take up a bit. We've matched up this plasterboard wall that's been put in. And here's the original 1920s or 1930s wall that we're matching up to, and it's worked out pretty good. Even sounds different and looks a lot better. Okay, final sort of scrape off. It's the first time I've done this and sort of worked out pretty good. Could do it with acrylic, which is going to stick to the paint, but Cornice cement works well too. Okay, all the best. Hope you enjoyed it. Finish scraping the rest off, and that'll be it.